Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my January Birchbox unboxing to share with you. Let's go ahead and see what we got this month. Here's what the box looks like this month. Don't know how I really feel about it. It looks like just a bunch of scribbling, but whatever. The theme this month is Find Your Happy. After a whirlwind holiday season, carve out some me time with this box of beauty treats. Here's to finding your happy place in the new year, no matter where it takes you. First thing that I see here is a free matte eyeshadow by the brand Deuce. I don't know how to say it. I've gotten one of these before, but I don't know how to quite pronounce the brand. It's just one of the single shadows like you would put in a magnetic palette. Do a quick swatch of it. It looks like a finger. And there it is on the back of my hand. It's pretty. I would say that it would be a great transition shade, but it has a lot of silver glitter in it, so I wouldn't quite use it for that, but it is pretty and it is soft and creamy. It says that the full size is $10, and it says wear this shade solo or with the exclusive Douce, I don't know how to say it again, it's Doucce, and Birchbox Free Matte Eyeshadow Quad. It says a bonus is you can get 30% off of the palette until March 31st, 2018. Next we have by Ebates their Grandiose Hair Plumping Mousse. It's a 30 milliliter sample. It says the full size is $39. Amp up the volume with this luxe mousse that delivers crunch-free bombshell body. Work a golf ball sized dollop throughout damp hair, then scrunch. We have by Bioderma their Hydra Bio Serum. And that's in a 5 milliliter. It says the full size is $24.90. It says a drink of H2O for your face. This serum has hyaluronic acid and glycerin for a hydration boost, and the brand's Aquagenium complex to maintain moisture. Apply to clean skin. So we have by Aero their Boost Color Enhancing Lip Balm. Here's what it looks like. Looks like it's actually a full-size lip balm, and it's a purple color. But it's one of those that once you put it on, it's supposed to enhance the color of your lips. So usually they just make them like a darker pink. I do have lip product on now, so I'm not going to use it, but I have used things like this before, like the It Cosmetics, I think it's called the Je ne sais quoi, or I could be wrong, but the It Cosmetics has a lip enhancing balm kind of like this. It says it's in the flavor or shade Berry Busy. The full size is $14. This ultra hydrating formula magically adjusts to your lips pH to create a flattering deep pink hue that's unique to you. The last thing that we have is by Stila. It's their Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. Looks like this. Let's see what the wand looks like. Just your typical wand, it's not a rubber wand. It says the full size of it is $23. This inky black mascara lets your lashes go big in every way. One coat leaves major volume, curl, and length. Those are some good claims. I do like when it does all three things and not just one and then leaves out the other. So I'm excited to give that a try. I've never tried to steal a mascara before. That's all I got this month, guys, about Birchbox. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you got. I'll have a link below, as always, so that if you're interested in subscribing, you can click on that to do so. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Hit subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Single shadows. Well.